The beginning of relationships can be extremely exciting because they're new, right? And also because we have all of these narratives, all these stories queued up from our lives that make us look a certain way, typically stories that make us look good. And we desperately want to share those with somebody else. Now, the unique aspect of a new relationship is that you actually have someone in your life who wants to hear those stories, and that's not typical. Now, the interesting thing is when those narratives run out, as if you say, well, those are all the things that I wanted to tell you about my life because they make me look good. So now I'm going to spend my time and energy hiding all the things that make me look bad. And that can really shift the dynamic of a relationship in a fundamental way. Now, our upfront narratives are just the tip of the iceberg. And the trick is to find someone who you want to share the entire iceberg with, because we are all amazingly, beautifully complex, and it would take a lifetime to honestly share our complete story. You just need to find someone who wants to hear it.